the dark of a broken land rose a banner of the wolf claws and courage in every hand. AKJ, call a pact, pull the scattered into one. Swore on ashes and on blood, we would never turn or run. Dark wolves, we rise. ADWS, our fight. For the pact, we stand as one. For the oath of the bond, we do not run. Honor in our hands, brothers, sisters, side by side. We are the night that will never break. We are the storm that the cowards hate. Dark wolves, we rise. ADWS, our fire. Every fortress, every gate light we have held through scream and smoke. When the weak heart fell away, still our vow remained unbroke. For the friendship, for the duty, for the names we carved in stone, for the ones who fought and fell, we will never walk alone. Dark wolves, we rise. ADWS, on fire. For the pact, we stand as one. For the oath, for the bond, we do not run. Honor in our hands, brothers, sisters, side by side. We are the night that will never break. We are the storm that the cowards hate. Dark wolves, we rise. ADWS, our fire. Call the beast, call the brave, let the broken know our name. From the first cry to the brave, we will guard this sacred flame. Dark wolves, we rise. ADWS, for the pact, we stand as one. For the oath, for the bond, we do not run. Honor in our hands, brothers, sisters, side by side. We are the night that will never